Good morning. It's November 18th, 2019. We're actually at my girlfriend's house today and we are painting. We just got done doing the kitchen. We're halfway done with the dining room and we're moving into the living room. What I'd like to show you is something that she pointed out to me that I didn't even know. We're always in a constant state of education, always learning something new every day. So she taught me what I can do with a standard paint tray and the feet. Do you know why the feet have this extra piece of metal right here bent up in instead of just being a flat foot? If you don't, stay tuned because we're going to show you right after this.
Okay, so we all should know that the feet on a paint tray hold the paint tray at an angle so that the belly of the tray holds the majority of the paint. And when you dip your roller in there and then roll it on the rigid part, it helps clean off your roller a little bit, taking the excess paint off and allowing it to gravity feed back into the belly of the tray. But there's a little extra metal tab here on this leg. And before the intro, we asked you if you knew what that was for. What's that? You don't know? Well, neither did I. My lovely girlfriend showed me this trick, and now I'm going to share it with you. As you can imagine, holding that paint tray or even balancing on top of the ladder while painting the wall is nearly impossible. And well, it's extremely impossible to dip the roller into a paint can. So what's the trick, you ask? Watch this as I take the roller pan and slide it onto the front of the ladder. That's right, there's two slits on the front of most fiberglass step ladders that accept the paint can feet and allow you to clip it on so that you don't have to hold it while you're using it. Well, look at that. Now we both know the trick. I hope this helps you out. Don't thank me. Thank Barbara, because my girlfriend taught me this trick. Thanks, Barbara. I'll definitely be using this on all my future painting projects. You're certainly a true winner.